Hey everyone, I'm Michaela and I'm one of the co-founders here at CoreViz. Today I'm going to be showing you how to organize and tag your photos using AI to make sorting through your images faster and more efficient. If you're somebody who works with a large set of images, you're probably used to struggling with having to scroll for that one image you're looking for. I'm going to demonstrate to you today how to use CoreViz to make that process much faster. So what we're going to do first is create a drive for the images we want to sort through. So say we're a photographer for Hannah and Jason's wedding. So we've gone ahead and created our folder, and now we're going to set up and prepare the workflow. So what we want to do is add object detection, which is going to help us find common objects like champagne glasses, bouquets, dresses, stuff like that. So we're going to turn that on. And then we are going to enable custom tagging. And what we're going to do here is let AI generate some of our tags for us. So what we're going to do first is just give it a description or prompt of what we want it to generate our tags for. So I already have one prepared. I'm going to copy and paste it. And what I'm telling it to do is pretty much generate tags for a wedding and the events that occur, like the cake cutting, dancing, bride, groom, bridesmaid, speeches, etc. And then we are going to go ahead and update that workflow. Now we are going to select the images we want to upload. So I already have a folder on my desktop. I'm going to select all of them and press open. And now what this is going to do is automatically start looking through the images and adding tags. And since we turned on the object detection, it's also going to be looking at faces, objects, dresses. Alrighty, so as we can see here, once everything is loaded, you can use layouts to look at your images. You can look at them with the tags and metadata. You can sort them with the tags, description, etc., depending on what you choose to show. And now if you go over to media, you can sort by tags. So say we want to see specifically the bride feeding the groom. And there is our shot. And this shows us everything that's in the image. We have faces, we have a flower pot in the back, a fork that she's holding, and an image of the cake. And now, if we go back, say we want to look at individual faces. We want to find all of the images of the groom. And we can do that simply by selecting his face. You can see where he's appearing in the images. We can click on them, navigate to the next image. We could also take a look at where the bride's face is occurring. And say this gentleman is the father of the groom. We can look at where he's appearing. We can navigate to this one. There he is in the back. And this fancy dresser here, this is very interesting. Let's see if we can find other images where this dress is located. And there we go. All of the photos that she occurs in. And now we can also look at it from the perspective of objects. So we want to look at all of the fancy dresses, all of the faces, the men, let's see, the women, and we can organize them. Anyone who's wearing a suit, anyone who's wearing ties, plates, necklaces, tiaras, flowers, bouquets, etc. And so there we have it. All of these tags were AI generated, very minimal work. We just wrote a description on what we wanted it to be able to find, and it was able to do it for us. So thank you guys for watching this instructional video, and we will see you next time.